Welcome in, YouTube. Today we're going to be ripping the 2026 Pokemon Day pack. Okay, let's get into this. We have the Pokemon 2026 coin, and then we have 3 packs. And to start off, we have a Pikachu Holo. We got Phantasmal Flames Mega Evolution, Mega Evolution Phantasmal Flames, and the Mega Evolution. So we'll go ahead and open the Mega Evolution first. I hope we get some good pulls out of this pack. We want the Mega Hyper Rare Mega Lucaro EX or the Mega Gardevoir EX. Those are some top pulls. Alright, let's see what we have. We have a Basic Energy. We have a Corpus, Fearow, Litleo, Tinkatink, Garganchi, Mega Signal, Shidina, and we have a Knocklee, a Sparrow, and a Clawitzer. All 3 holos. I want to say thank you guys for joining us. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'm a small content creator, and with your help, we can get to 1 million subscribers. Thank you everyone for your support. I will update the profit and loss on the next part of this video. This will be a 3-part series. So far, we have a net loss of $7.10. Stay tuned, everybody, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.